Hare Krishna, dear devotees.
Hare Krishna.
Welcome to our tutorial making swing for Radha Krishna. We were trying to find some tutorial online, but we didn't find any. So we decided, okay, let's try to do it out of our inspiration. And we went to a local hobby store and found this wonderful thing, which will serve as a already pre-made construction for the swing. And then the rest we are going to do. So we will show you how. Om Agyanati Mirandhasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti-vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavari Pashatare Shatarine. Okay, let's do it. So this is my measurement of the swing floor with the pedestals of the deities, Radha, Madan, Mohan. And now we are going to transfer it on the wood. So here is a chopped wood, perfect size. And then I got this special tool in the hobby market. So here we go. So here we go. We have our holes for the deity pedestals, for the floor of the swing, Hare Krishna. And now we are going to, because as you can see, it's not like very nice here. So we are going to.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Okay, all cleaned up and set.
Okay, so we will make holes in this. So we prepared those points and those will become holes. And then we create holes in the pillars. So the pillars will be standing like this. And we just prepare like a very narrow holes, so the screwing is easier then. So there's like a two-step process. So we take a very narrow device and we essentially make a hole in the middle. It's better to have something to put it on. I don't have anything. And like that we prepare holes in each part of the pillar.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Now, after we made those holes, we will screw them together with the stand to make the whole construction.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
So we've created this construction and now we will put this desk like this. So we will screw it on 4 places that are different than these places, so we can screw it through, and those deities will stand like that. So we'll do it using shorter screws, so we don't screw through.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Okay, so we finished this construction. So now we will add those hanging things, hooks, and we created the construction like that. We will need to find something better than this, but it will hang it from the top like that, and here is the place for the hook. So we are doing the hooks now.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find this helpful. And now we are going to paint it and decorate it, and you are going to see us on Radha's tummy. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama